Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm the speaker of representative from the Rhodia. So today, we would like. Sorry, could you put PowerPoint slide? Here. Sorry. Okay. Rhodia, you know, the Rhodia is a polyamide supplier worldwide. So we are in good position. So today, as a polyamide supplier, I would like to focus on automotive applications. What is the automotive market demand, and also what will be the future solution as a suppliers. So today, I would like to present with the following process. Firstly, basic, simple introduction about Rhodia. Secondly, what is the real demand from automotive market? Thirdly, at the last one, what is our real solution to meet such kind of market demand in auto industries? Okay, let me start from introduction of the Rhodia. Rhodia, with the simple figures, last year we recorded 5,200 million euros. As Rhodia is a European companies, all figures we calculate in euro basis. So recently, Rhodia, we announced some potential cooperation with the Solvay company based on Belgium. So actually, this is very friendship acquisition by Solvay to Rhodia. So totally, it will be around 12 billion euros of turnover if Solvay Rhodia work together successfully. Today's figure is only for focus on Rhodia figure itself. Anyway, worldwide, Rhodia, we have around 14,000 of employees. It is well spread in the world. Last year, Rhodia recorded around 17% of profitability based on our actual sales. So it is around 900 million euros. Worldwide, we have 32 industrial sites. Based on 32 worldwide industrial sites, as you may see, most of our business comes from Europe and Asia. As a European company, of course, biggest commercial sales come from mainland in Europe, followed by Asia and North America and Latin America. More clear thing is, Rhodia, we are putting more resource where there is more potential high growth ratios. So once you see Asia and Latin America sales, it is already 45% of the total our group's turnover. Means that we are having the more business and also more high potential growth in where there is a real growth ratio. Sorry. Okay, this is slide explained Rhodia's investment on especially R&D areas. Worldwide, we have 5 R&D centers. It is well balanced for each continent. 2 R&D centers in Europe, and 1 is for Asia, North America, and South America. So, and not also the 5 R&D, but also we have the 2 joint R&D centers under cooperation with the government and some universities. Totally, we have around 1,000 R&D engineers by putting around 100 million R&D budget. Last year, we filed around 110, the patent. If we combine Solvay's and such kind of figures, it will be a little bit more than doubles of the figures. So maybe you, as a Indian people, Indian society, Indian industries, you may have interest. What is the Rhodia's presence? Just last day, we have some press conference about finishing our another acquisitions in Angeles plastic areas. Most of you know that Rhodia, we acquired PI Polymer, who is based in the Gujarat areas. So Rhodia is, even though we are a little latecomer in India industries, but we already committed to put strong investment, not only the money, but also the human resource here. So I'm sure the Rhodia will be the Rhodia's, India is Rhodia's real core strategy areas. So we wanted to grow with the Indian customers with a very ambitious target. This is a simple introduction of the Rhodia. Let's move to the main topic of today. Actually, I wanted to introduce firstly what is the real market demand from auto industries. As this morning, mostly the Alchema or the other PP suppliers always explained. Auto industries demand is very simple these days. Top priority is weight reductions. How to cut weight of the car. This is their main concern and top priorities. The other demand, of course, some productivities, like the mass productions and some design flexibilities, and how to reduce the design time and also cost reduction, of course. But most clear thing is how to reduce the weight. It can make a car OEM to improve fuel efficiency, also reduce the CO2 emissions, and also attract the consumers, make them image some environmental friendly approach to final car buyers. So I list some market demand here. Not only such demand, but also clear thing is how to meet mechanical properties. This is like the stiffness and strength, and some durabilities. Of course, it's very important. But while we are meeting such mechanical properties, how to meet the real demand to reduce car weight is the most important things. This slide is showing, once we see one of the key segments for each car models, once you look at the segment C of the car, normally car weight we consider around 1,400 kgs for one car at segment C levels. We make some analysis for each function of a car, what kind of weight is made with metal or plastic. Once you see the car body part case, most of them, 85% of car body part is with made steels. You may see the tires, engine exit, between the 85% to 70% is made with steels. So target is at this segment C levels, car OEM, they really wanted to cut weight between 200 and 300 kgs, which is additional 20% of their existing car weight. How material suppliers, tier 1s, and all consumers, how we can meet such kind of demand? It should be done through some way. This is what we are considering, how to provide values. It can be not only material approach, but also some of the manufacturing process. Also, it should be make the balance between some value chain, between car OEM and the tier 1s. So, such kind of combined solutions, systematic approach should make can be made based on corporations. So, such kind of demand, what is the not only Rhodia but also the other polyamide supply sensor. Today, I listed the 4 solutions from our Rhodia companies. So I will explain the one by one. Okay. One of our solutions to automotive industry's demand is we wanted to deliver the composite materials, composite solutions. In this slide, you may see there is some lots of automotive application made with plastic. Of course, I didn't put some application with PP, ABS, the other one. I just put normally polyamide applications. On the left side is kind of conventional polyamide applications, which is at the, we say, the maturity levels, like a water tank, AIMs, and local carbon is kind of fundamental classical polyamide application with polyamide. On the right side, you may see there is a new potential application which can adopt polyamide materials or some of the other materials. But we are suggesting customers to consider polyamide materials for following the reasons. Sorry, I made this. For this kind of the right side, there is some applications which can